So just through a simple process of categorization and subcategories, we start to put a little bit more structure and hierarchy and scale into what was originally a big, long to-do list. So coming back to our presentation, once we've done our categorization fully, what we start to look at is something that looks a much more tidy, coherent version of what I was just building just then. So just like I was illustrating, here's one that we've prepared earlier. We've decided that we've got a customers section, a project section, a marketing section, and a personal. That personal branch has been broken down into finance, health, and family. And in there, you've then started to get some of those smaller tasks and items that we were thinking of originally. So a really simple process of categorization can help you break down that big long list into things that are much more easy to manage, navigate, and go and work around. So our items here have now been broken down into the different projects we've got with particular customers.